Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, it's free. And I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and helps support my channel. In today's video, I'm going to apply DTF transfer from Ninja DTF gang sheet to a shirt. And if you're not familiar with Ninja DTF, they are the leading custom DTF transfer providers in the industry. What's really neat about them is anyone can use them, whether it's just you personally or if it's for your company, and you can make your own gang sheet. So this is a gang sheet. It goes on and on and on. What you do is you upload as many images as you want to Ninja DTF and they will do the rest. So when you get your gang sheet, all you do is cut out the image that you want to use, transfers onto any product, material, color. It's incredibly durable. I actually did a video a while back on how to create a gang sheet, and I'll leave the link in the descriptions below, and if you stay to the end, you can continue on and watch that video. So let's cut out the one that I want to use today and let's get started. So we turn it on and we're gonna press this to do the temperature, and we're gonna go ahead and do the minus to bring it down to 310 degrees, which is what it needs to be at for the Ninja DTF transfer. And then also it happens to be on 15 seconds already, but what you would do there is just press the time button and then adjust the plus or the minus, and then you would just press that when you're ready to push it down. Okay, once it gets heated, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press the shirt just to take the moisture out. But actually with the DTF transfers, that is not necessary, but it's just a good habit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press this as soon as we get it up to 310, and then we'll go ahead and apply. So it's not at 310 yet, but let's just go ahead and pre-press it to get started because it's almost there. And I'm just gonna pre-press it for 15 seconds. Usually you just do 10. It's at 15, so which we can just press it again and end it. Okay, so something that I like to do to get the center is take the shirt and fold it in half, and we're going to line it up. So I'm just lining up that these arms are touching each other and, you know, are lined up with each other. And what I'm trying to do is get the center. So let's just make sure this is pretty good. Okay, so here, okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and place this back on here, and then we're gonna pre-press it so we get a little crease. And then we'll know where the middle is. That should be good. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to open it up, and that crease I can say didn't do too well, but that's fine because this is a V-neck. This will be easy for us to go ahead and know where the center is. So we're going to go ahead and do about 3 inches down, or maybe I'll do about 2 inches. Let's do 2 inches down. And let me bring this up a little bit more. And here is the DTF transfer I'm going to use. So let me go ahead and place it. So I need to pull the shirt up more so I can get the entire thing, the entire image in here. So let's just see. So that's about, yeah, it's about 2.5, about 2 inches. And I am going to tape it so it stays in place. This is such cute little saying. I just wish I had a white shirt, but all I have is blue. So we're going to use blue, which is cute as well, but I think white would pop. Okay. Now we're going to place parchment paper over, and then we're going to press it for 15 seconds. And then you have to wait for it to cool down before you take it off. If we go ahead to take it off and it's not ready, we can do 15 more seconds. Let's go ahead and apply this. And place this in here. I absolutely love my HTV Ront. It's so easy to use. It's compact. It actually only weighs 40 pounds, which is nice. And I just love it. This is a 15 by 15. All right, so let's just give it, oh, this is really cute. All right, so we're gonna give this a little bit to cool. And then we're gonna see if it's ready to take off. And if not, then we'll do for another 15 seconds. So we're going to use blue, which is cute as well, but I think white would pop. Now we're going to place parchment paper over, and then we're going to press it for 15 seconds. And then you have to wait for it to cool down before you take it off. If we go ahead to take it off and it's not ready, we can do 15 more seconds. Let's go ahead and apply this. And place this in here. I absolutely love my HTV Ront. It's so easy to use. It's compact. It actually only weighs 40 pounds, which is nice. And I just love it. This is a 15 by 15. So let's just give it, oh, this is really cute. All right, so we're gonna give this a little bit to cool. And then we're gonna see if it's ready to take off. And if not, then we'll do for another 15 seconds. So it's cooler. We're gonna go ahead and see if it's done. Let's go ahead and do 15 more seconds, and then I think it should be done. I love using the gang sheet because you can put as many images as you want on there, and you just cut out the decal that you want to use, and it's just easy. It's super easy, and I love it. All right, so now we're gonna wait again for it to cool, and then we'll be back and we're gonna take this off. So it's completely cool, and we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Okay, and this is adorable. Look at this, you guys. Look how cute this is. It's so cute. So I love it, and it was so easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today, and as always, thank you for watching. And if you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Bye, you guys. See you in the next one.